Let's kick it off now with Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. It's a busy week, Joe, with earnings, the jobs report coming in, and escalating tensions between Russia and the Ukraine. 3,000 American troops are now on the move in Europe. How is that affecting the market?
Yeah, so it has added a little bit of volatility. A lot of uncertainty, of course, is in the market right now. And the market already had some illiquidity and some uncertainty with all we have going on with the Fed.
The government's report on jobs comes out on Friday, but the latest ADP number revealed a loss of 301,000 jobs in January. What's the market expectation?
Yeah, so that was the worst ADP number since April 2020. We're talking about the COVID days of April 2020, perhaps some Omicron filling into that. And the ADP has been a really strong employment number for the past 6 or so months, consistently ahead of the non-farms number. So if there's potentially just some catch up to that coming back to the non-farms, we'll see. But the non-farms number, which we're going to get tomorrow on Friday, has been very weak over the past few months, especially compared to the ADP. So if we see another weak number compared to ADP, we could be in store for a negative jobs number, which even though employment is very low right now, unemployment is very low right now. That is a bad sign when we're talking about inflation so high, and we're talking about the Fed hasn't even started to cut yet.
Well, Google is making big news this week with its 20-for-1 stock split. Do you think Amazon will be next?
I love this. It brings that easier access to a lot of traders, a lot of investors out there. $3,000 is pretty pricey. The 20-for-1 split gets it into a more accessible range. I don't know what Amazon will be next. I think they would be wise to do so given the reaction that Google has had. And I just think that 3,000 just feels too much for one share. I know it's 3,000 per share isn't what it used to be, but it just seems kind of rich. So I think Amazon would be wise to follow Google's suit.
It would be nice. Thank you, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.